Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Monday the 24th of July 2017 and we're commenting on the IMF release just an hour ago that the UK and US economies will expand more slowly in 2017 than previously predicted. The IMF has stated that weaker than expected activity in the first 3 months of the year meant the UK would grow by 1.7%, compared with an earlier 2% forecast. And the US growth forecast has also been downgraded from 2.3% to 2.1%. This is somewhat concerning in that it also confirmed its overall global economic predictions of 3.5% growth in 2017 and 3.6% in 2018. Remaining unchanged, while it expects the USA growth next year to remain at 2.1% instead of the 2.5% previously forecast. Now, to be balanced, we also have to add that some economists have warned that IMF forecasts were not always right. Lucy O'Carroll, chief economist of Aberdeen Asset Management, stated to the BBC, quote, "The IMF, a multilateral institution, takes a step back and looks at a broad range of activities across the world. But they do sometimes get things wrong, and we wouldn't want to put too much emphasis on what's been released today," unquote. Nevertheless, this announcement will still add political pressure on the Fed not to raise interest rates on Wednesday, and also suggest that policymakers will continue to follow investment strategies in order to boost their domestic economies. This is certainly good news for gold and silver prices over the medium term and adds weight to any argument that the Trump presidency puts forward for further investment in infrastructure and jobs. We are certainly of the opinion that the IMF has been increasing its concern over comments from the world's central banks that interest rates should rise, and any quantitative easing or monetary stimulus should be reined back. It suggests to us that there is some economic disagreement amongst bankers as to the future direction of economic policy, and is certainly worth taking a note of and observing. Meanwhile, this morning, gold is up $1.71 to a little over $1,256, and silver is down 2 cents at $16.49. Though we suspect the IMF announcement hasn't fully filtered through to markets as yet, as we expect the slight rise in the dollar index to reverse slightly on this news. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Our Facebook page, which is updated daily, can be found at facebook.com/illuminatisilver. Disclaimer: Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.